Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable the restricted mode on YouTube. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the YouTube application on your device, and if you haven't already logged into your account, click on the account icon at the bottom right corner and then log in using your credential. After you are logged into your account, if you wish to turn on restricted mode, then click on your account icon once again from the bottom right, and then from your profile page, tap on the gear icon at the top right. You will now be taken into the settings page. From the settings page, click on General and then scroll all the way down until you find restricted mode. Now, if you wish to turn this on, simply tap on the toggle to turn this option on. And now restricted mode will be enabled on your YouTube account. If you wish to turn this off once again, you can come back to the same menu, and then from the General tab, you can scroll all the way down and tap on the toggle once again. And there you have it. That is how you can turn on restricted mode on your YouTube account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.